I was born in Mayo of the Nallys of Ball, the family that's associated with the Nally stand, now the Nally Terrace in Croke Park. I came to Carby Kildare at an early age, and at that time I started a lifetime engagement with Carby Club. I started with the school team in Carby. I came through the underage system as it was, then moved on to the Kildare Minors, had a spell with them. I suppose the greatest memory was 1960 county final. That was something new, to step out in Newbridge in 1960. My first time, I was very young, and to go out there and play in the county final, and I played well in the county final. It was like stepping out of Wembley on cup final. I'm secretary and treasurer of the club now for over the best part of 20 years. I'm looking after the funds, the money, doing reports, accounting every week to the committee. I have a philosophy of when I do something, I do it right. Doing my best for the club. I'd like to do when I do it right. I really appreciate getting the award. I do the work. I love doing the work, and I love the club. I've done the club all my life, and I just love doing the work that I do, and I do it for the club. And to get this award, it's a great achievement. I feel honoured that I've got this award, and I think very well of the people that put me forward for this award.